Daily use English sentences in Hindi. अकेले बैठे मत रहो. Don't keep sitting alone. Don't keep sitting alone. अपनी नाक पोंछो. Wipe your nose. Wipe your nose. पट्टी बांध लो. Tie the bandage or dress the wound. Tie the bandage or dress the wound. मेरे कपड़े मत खींचो. Don't pull my clothes. Don't pull my clothes. मोबाइल पर गेम खेलना बंद करो. Stop playing games on mobile. Stop playing games on mobile. तुम अभी भी नींद में हो. You are still in sleep. You are still in sleep. मुझे नखरे मत दिखाओ. Don't show me tantrums. Don't show me tantrums. कांपना बंद करो. Stop shivering. Stop shivering. अपने नाखून चबाओ मत. Don't chew your nails or don't bite your nails. Don't chew your nails or don't bite your nails. बिल्कुल मत रोना. Don't cry at all. Don't cry at all. मुश्किल कहाँ है या समस्या कहाँ है. Where is the problem? Where is the problem? क्या मैं आपका फ़ोन इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ. Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone? ये किसकी किताबें हैं. Whose books are these? Whose books are these? ये किसकी किताब है. Whose book is this? Whose book is this? क्या वह आज आएगी. Will she come today? Will she come today? उसने किताब फाड़ दी. She tore the book. She tore the book. सबको बाहर निकालो. Get everyone outside. Get everyone outside. सबको अंदर ले आओ. Get everyone inside. Get everyone inside. उसे करने दो जो वह चाहती है. Let her do what she wants. Let her do what she wants. उसने मुझे जगाया. She awoke me. She awoke me. बिस्तर पर मत कूदो. Don't jump on the bed. Don't jump on the bed. आस पास देखते रहना या इधर उधर देखते रहना. Keep looking around. Keep looking around. मैं यूँ गया और यूँ आया. I will be back in a jiffy. I will be back in a jiffy. कुछ भी मत खाओ. Don't eat anything. Don't eat anything.